Papa, pizza, swinger, bar swing, singer. I mean mash up in here. Two different dance I mix up. That's why I'm in a dance. Oh, Lydia. Yes, man. I know we call it Mother Earth. And I now have a very clear understanding of why. Yeah, man, when they say we come from the earth, I never did a picture it for where, you know, the literal meaning behind it. Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you a reenactment of the birth of the human race.
Can I get a what?
From the dust we came, and to the dust we shall return. But in the meantime, make we go and do some foolishness. After doing a flip, a vertical landing is preferred. But if horizontal works for you,
Lord of mercy!
the front of your body shall endure pain forever.
Sensational.
Embarrassment! Might as well just pose for the camera.
Embarrassing!
If I did Jamaica this salad kicker play, you wouldn't have time to pose. You would be running for dear life. And when them a run you down, possibly them a try kick with your ankle or you buck your toe.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Anytime something like that happen, I have to ask somebody.
Are you okay? 10
times out of 9, they are not okay. Yeah man, I just said 10 out of 9 times. So that means every single time, plus a little toops more, they are not okay.
Oh my god, are you okay?
No! They lick up a jeepney.
And they might be okay, but he is not. I think we can all agree who decided to put the flip in the routine and those who went against it. I can clearly see that the correct decision was to leave it out.
You fucker, yo!
I am not sure if this is the right decision, but being Jamaican trumps all decision making type of things.
Take a picture.
Excuse me, you live here?
You live here?
Like a true Jamaican we catch somebody at the yard when nothing dead there, the boss asks.
Excuse me, you live here?
You live here?
Yeah. This, you can't make this shit up, people.
Can we bring the camera? Take a picture of him. Take a picture of him. Look at him.
In your mouth the whole of my seed.
What do you mean by that?
You say in your mouth, uncle?
In your mouth the whole of my seed.
That what kind of freaky beer? Oh! A seed where you plant, you did attack. Seed where you plant.
In your mouth the whole of my seed.
Why you do it, John Crow?
And as we are on the topic of seeds, you know, seeds that you plant, they grow into trees. And a tree might become a valuable source of food. Or it may also be the destroyer of life. We never ask me general. We know you felt the bird. If the tree did a little bit taller, pretty sure you would have catch a fire.
That no hot.
Yeah man, you're supposed to feel like a matching sticks. You know when you rub the matching stick on the side of the box and you just catch a fire. That's how you're supposed to feel. And you see the same tree there, they create shade. But we remove the shade with our saws and our blades. And in return, that tree tried to give us a coffin for the grave. You better on the left you treat them alone and hear why. Green or dry, they are best left pointing to the sky. Cause if you bark up the wrong tree, piece of tick might have lick out your eye.
Alright, security, usher him out.
I think we can all agree that the point of a video like this shows that not even animals like the obnoxious sounds created by a bike. And not only are they annoying, you see if you put the key in the ignition and it start up and the wheel them start move, they not lead you nowhere good. Let me tell you something, and this is from experience. You see water with that green, that shade of green there, it is usually never clean. Me no smelly, but me can see say that water they think, and without the S, it think. And you know what me I talk about. You say think and stink are two different things. When me say think, you know it's taken you to a certain place. You know it's taken you to a certain place when me say think. Because you know it's two different things. Comment below and tell me sitting where think versus sitting where stink. And one thing me can tell you to do, you see when you and your friend them fool on the same level, yeah man, they usually lead towards the same ending result. You see, you to jump off, if you indeed have Jamaican parents, they would have proud. And you know they always attend to you and say, if your friend do that, you have to do it too. Improve them wrong. You show them say, yo, if my friend I got towards them doom, I'm not gonna follow them. I'm gonna catch it on film though. The boss then go for off-roading to an unplanned off-loading. The car dash for them backside. And your friends, they are going to either fall with you or be there to catch you when you fall. But no matter how they try, they can't tap your pain for you. You have to deal with that yourself.
I'm a mascot. A circus you want go.
The one thing you're not supposed to kick is the one thing you end up kick. A video they tell a very quick story, so no need for it to be continued. But wherever it was headed,
okay, let's go.
Anything sweet you? When so are your ass.
Let us hope that we don't have idiots behind the camera. Therefore, we can fully enjoy what is to be unleashed. Missile. And with that said, people, new camera again. The DSLR, we get battery feet.
What do you mean by that?
We're good to go. When I see the bump them on my face, you look clear now. Jesus Christ. And the bump and spot you stress me out. Hey, if you don't have no good acne products, can you notice everybody have a face care line now. Send it to me for free. And if it work, yeah man, me make people know say bad. Link me on Instagram. And with that said, hit the like button, the share button, definitely subscribe. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.